Looking now at we'll start with question 2A. Percent composition copper 2-sulfate pentahydrate, and we're using our definition. Make sure you got this correct. So percent composition, mass of the pure component, which is our copper 2-sulfate pentahydrate, divided by the mass of the mixture you started with. So this is going to equal mass of copper 2-sulfate pentahydrate recovered divided by my initial mass of the sample and the sample data that I had. It got deleted. I'll write it again just to get started. The initial mass of sample with the number that I'm using. Again, this is not the number that you need to use. Use the number from your student data. So we can see this is my 10.044 grams times 100. And looking at the mass of my copper 2-sulfate pentahydrate recovered, you can see that is going to be the answer from part A. For 2B, percent composition sand is going to be the mass of sand recovered divided by the initial mass of sample times 100. So the initial mass of sample, again, my number is 10.044 grams. Yours is going to be different. Use your student data. Number, the mass of the sand recovered will be your answer from 1B. And significant figures are important even for a percent. Question 3, percent recovery. We're using our definition. So percent recovery is sum of the mass of both components recovered divided by the mass of the mixture you start with. The sum of both components recovered divided by mass of mixture started with, so our initial mass, which is that 10.044 grams. Again, you use your number, times 100. And that will then be sum of both components recovered, again, will be your answer from 2A plus your answer from 2B divided by that total mass. And times 100 to make it a percent. And please do continue to keep track of significant figures. I hope this helped.